And we're back again. We've just put down the seat profiles. I haven't, Darren has, and the boys. And so how did we do that, Darren?
The seating profiles, we just came in our 43mm from our edge, pinged the line, set them up.
So you chalk line a line all the way through.
Just line it up with the inside of the profile there, so that's the inside of your wall. The wall's 62mm, so it hangs over 20mm,
yep,
thereabouts, so that you can get your flashing board around as well.
So you go right around,
all the
mark
way around,
all the outside walls, and then you come in and do the inside.
Yep, same thing, but you just stagger them on the insides. Stagger them so you don't have so many to cut around when you got your doing your skirtings on each wall.
Okay. Now the other thing with hint is when you're in the bathroom where the shower are and the vanities, turn them around the other room so you don't have to, the shower cubicle won't get, the fiberglass won't touch it. And they're a different design, aren't they?
Yep. They're for your 44mm wall.
So now you've done all that, tacked them, nailed them all in, made sure everything's parallel and whatnot with your chalk lines, and then you've lifted the ranch sliders in before you put the bottom walls in.
Yep.
Right? So
we actually put the ranch sliders in.
Or large windows.
Yep. And all your full height windows.
Okay.
And then you clip the baseboard, base flashing on.
Base flashing.
Which clips on simple if that's like that, not like that.
We're going to show us the other one, the original one.
The original one's got a wider clip in there. We've only just discovered this.
So what we've discovered, if there's a problem, we send it down to Dave Hutch, down to Lockwood, to just check out why it's happening so it doesn't happen to other franchises and other builders on site. So now you're going to go along and put the bottom board in.
Yep.
Are you doing the internal walls too?
Yep. Do all the bottom boards.
Okay.
All on one hit.
Right, and we'll film you doing that later. Here we are on day 5. We're just stacking everything out now, all the boards along here. And got the boards up to 3 and 4 height. They're coming in on the weekend just to get it up to full height. And start putting the beams in. So that ridge beam sits up there. And this is where the bay window goes in. They've rebaited in some X profiles. And then we've got to dig, form the floor out here, which we'll show you later on. So we got profiles here, which if you have a look, you grab your hammer and you just dent just a little bit into there on each one. You do that whole pile of them and it makes it easier to slip in, and so the sharp bits, there's another one in here, I'll see if I can shoot it in, so the sharp bits don't stick into the timber. It's just easy to guide it all in. So this piece of timber here is for the door. There's a door going into the bedroom here. So that's instead of having a little piece of 44mm tongue and groove wall boards in there. And that will straighten up once we get up to the top height. And it'll all tie in together. So you're keeping the doors well braced. So you get a wind. The walls can and have been known to, if it's not nailed down here, once you get the walls up, to actually lift up and drop off the other side. And that's something you don't really want to do.